In this video, you will learn how to add exciting mouse track motion effects to elements in your JupiterX website using Elementor. We will show you how to enhance your site's interactivity and user engagement. In JupiterX, you can add mouse track motion effects to any widget, section, or container. For this example, let's select the image widget and go to Motion Effects to enable mouse track. Right-click the image to open the context menu. Choose Edit Image to open the image settings. Now open the Advanced tab for more options. Expand Motion Effects to see mouse effect controls. Turn on mouse effects so the element responds to cursor movement. Open mouse track settings using the Edit icon. Once the mouse track setting is enabled, the mouse track motion effect is activated on the widget. Open the Direction drop-down to change the direction. Select Direct so the image moves with the cursor instead of against it. Let's slow the mouse tracking speed so the motion feels smoother and less jumpy. Now switch the direction to Opposite to invert movement. Choosing Opposite makes the element move counter to the cursor for a subtle parallax effect. Let's preview the page to test the live mouse track behavior in a new tab. Now the image reacts to your cursor. You can see the mouse track parallax in action and tweak speed or direction as needed. You've successfully added a mouse track motion effect in JupiterX. Now experiment with different elements and settings to create dynamic interactions on your website.